Hi, this is your host. Millions of years ago, long before humans walked the earth, strange creatures roamed the land, flew through the skies, and swam in the seas. But what happened to them? Where are the remains of these ancient behemoths and bizarre beasts? Hidden beneath our feet lie the answers. Underneath layers of soil and rock, there's a silent city of stone, a vast network of tunnels carved by wind and water, each turn revealing a piece of our planet's ancient puzzle. And within these underground chambers we find them, fossils, whispers from millions of years ago, stories etched in stone. But how do these relics survive eons of erosion? What secrets do they hold about life that came before us? Join us today as we unlock the mysteries of these fossil secrets, exploring the remarkable journey of preservation that gives us a glimpse into our planet's ancient past. Welcome to this channel, a platform dedicated to demystifying the intricacies of science and mathematics. Our mission is to empower learners everywhere with clear and accessible explanations of the fascinating science that surrounds us. Today we embark on a captivating journey into the realm of paleontology. Part 1. What makes a fossil? Imagine a world teeming with strange creatures and unfamiliar plants, a world so distant it seems like a dream. Dinosaurs roam free, giant marine reptiles dominate the oceans, and strange winged creatures fill the skies. This was our planet millions of years ago. But how did these ancient beings become part of our planet's history? The answer lies in the remarkable process of fossilization. Fossilization is a rare occurrence. It's not enough for an organism to simply die. It must also undergo a series of unusual circumstances to be preserved in stone. At its core, fossilization is a rare and remarkable act of preservation. It's not just about dying. It's about dying in the right place at the right time, under very specific conditions. We'll explore the fundamental processes: permineralization, molds and casts, carbonization, and even preservation in unique substances like amber. Now let's break down the basics of fossilization. Permineralization, one of the most common forms of fossilization, involves the slow replacement of organic tissue with minerals. When an organism dies and sinks to the bottom of a lake or ocean, it often lands on a seafloor rich with minerals. Over time, water seeps into the pores of the bones or wood, carrying dissolved minerals. These minerals, including calcite, quartz, and pyrite, crystallize inside the tiny spaces of the organism, turning rock into a stone copy. Molds and casts are another fascinating type of fossil formed when an organism decays after death. Its shape remains in the rock, creating a negative imprint known as a mold. When this mold is later filled with sediment or minerals, it creates a positive imprint known as a cast. Trace fossils, such as footprints or burrows, can also be preserved, offering insights into an organism's behavior and ecology. Carbonization, prevalent among ancient plants and algae, occurs when heat and pressure transform organic matter into a thin film of carbon, leaving behind an imprint of the organism's structure. Fossilized leaves and fish are common examples of carbonized fossils. Part 2. The secrets of preservation. Now that we've covered the basics of fossilization, it's time to dive deeper into the intriguing science of preservation. Let's explore the fascinating processes that allow some organisms to endure for millions of years, while others decompose quickly. The process of permineralization varies depending on the type of organism and the environment. For instance, when a tree falls into a swamp, it may become buried under layers of mud and peat. Over time, groundwater seeps into the wood, carrying dissolved minerals such as silica. As the silica-rich water flows through the cells of the tree, it gradually fills the empty spaces, turning the wood to stone. The result is a petrified tree, a remarkable example of permineralization. The formation of molds and casts begins when an organism dies and decays. Scavengers and decomposers break down the soft tissues, leaving behind a cavity in the surrounding rock. This cavity, known as a mold, preserves the external or internal shape of the organism. Later, the mold can be filled with sediment, such as sand or mud, creating a cast that replicates the original form. For example, when a gastropod, like a snail or slug, dies and is buried in sediment, its shell may leave an imprint in the surrounding rock. After the soft tissues decompose, a cast of the shell can form by the deposition of minerals or sediment in the empty space. Carbonization, on the other hand, occurs when organic matter is heated and compressed. This process is common in areas where large quantities of organic material, such as algae or plant debris, accumulate. Heat and pressure cause the volatile components of the organic matter to evaporate, leaving behind a thin film of carbon. For example, in ancient lake or ocean sediments, the remains of microscopic algae can undergo carbonization, preserving their delicate structures in the fossil record. Exceptional preservation occurs when organisms are kept safe from scavengers and decomposers by unique factors such as being trapped in amber, ice, or tar. In these cases, the organisms are preserved in their natural state, providing an extraordinary window into the past. Amber, a fossilized tree resin, can encapsulate small organisms such as insects, effectively preserving them in time. The warm, sticky resin seeps out of trees and can trap small creatures. Over time, it hardens into amber, encasing the organism in a transparent stone. Famous amber deposits include Baltic amber from the Baltic region and Dominican amber from the Dominican Republic. Ice can also preserve organisms remarkably, as seen with the discovery of woolly mammoths in permafrost. In regions like the Lyakovsky Islands in Siberia, mammoths have been found frozen in ice, retaining much of their soft tissue, and even their internal organs. Tar pits, such as those found in Los Angeles' La Brea tar pits, can trap and preserve animals. During the Pleistocene epoch, these tar pits served as a deadly trap for large and small creatures alike, preserving their remains in sticky asphalt. Several key factors increase the likelihood of exceptional preservation. Rapid burial protects organisms from scavengers and decomposers by quickly covering them with layers of sediment, such as volcanic ash, mudslides, or debris flows. Anaerobic environments, like those found in swamps, bogs, and deep ocean sediments, limit the activity of oxygen-dependent decomposers, slowing down the breakdown of organic matter. Fine sediment promotes better fossilization because it allows for more precise details to be captured in the fossil record. Delicate structures like cell membranes and soft tissues can be better preserved in fine-grained sediments compared to coarser ones. Part 3. Stories etched in stone. Now that we understand the fascinating science of preservation, it's time to explore how fossils provide invaluable insights into our planet's history. By studying fossils, we can reconstruct ancient ecosystems, trace the evolution of species, and uncover the secrets of life that existed before us. Paleontologists, the scientists who study fossils, use their knowledge of geology and biology to piece together the story of an organism's life and death. They examine the location, position, and composition of fossils to determine how, when, and where an organism lived. By studying the sequence of fossil occurrences in rock layers, they can establish relative ages and reconstruct the order of events. Using this information, they can create timelines of major events in Earth's history, helping us understand the sequence of life on our planet. For example, by studying trilobite fossils, paleontologists have been able to divide the Paleozoic era into various periods, such as the Cambrian, Ordovician, and Permian. Each period is marked by distinct changes in the types and diversity of trilobites found in the fossil record. Additionally, the geographic distribution of fossils provides valuable insights into ancient environments and migration patterns. By examining where fossils are found, paleontologists can reconstruct ancient ecosystems and biomes and track the spread of species over time. For example, the discovery of marine fossils in areas now far from the ocean helps us understand how sea levels and climates have changed over the eons. Furthermore, fossils play a crucial role in understanding evolution. By comparing fossils from different time periods, scientists can document changes in species over time and trace the ancestry of modern organisms. The study of evolutionary relationships and the classification of organisms based on shared characteristics is known as taxonomy. Fossils provide tangible evidence of the evolutionary process, allowing us to classify and organize living things in a hierarchical system that reflects their evolutionary history. For example, the discovery of Tiktaalik, a fossil fish with characteristics of both fish and tetrapods, provided evidence for the evolution of tetrapods from fish ancestors. The United States is home to numerous significant fossil sites and museums that showcase the incredible discoveries made within its borders. One notable site is Dinosaur National Monument, located in the deserts of Utah and Colorado. This park protects a rich fossil yatak containing some of the best preserved dinosaur bones in the world. Visitors can explore the Split Mountain Aspinall Quarry, where thousands of dinosaur fossils have been uncovered, providing a glimpse into the prehistoric past of the region. Another remarkable site is Petrified Forest National Park in Arizona. This park is renowned for its beautifully preserved petrified wood. The park's vast collection of petrified palmwood showcases the fascinating process of fossilization, where water rich in minerals replaces the organic matter of trees, turning them into colorful stone. From the towering dinosaurs of the Jurassic Park to the tiny microbes that thrived in ancient oceans, each fossil tells a unique story. By uncovering and studying these relics, we gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible tapestry of life that has unfolded on our planet over billions of years. The study of fossils not only unravels the mysteries of the past, but also provides insights into the present and future of life on Earth. As we continue to explore the secrets held within ancient bones, shells, and leaves, we gain a deeper understanding of the delicate balance that sustains our ecosystems and the forces that have shaped life as we know it. In conclusion, every fossil is a testament to the enduring legacy of life on our planet. They are reminders of the immense stretches of geological time, the fragility and resilience of life, and our place within this grand evolutionary tapestry. As we continue to uncover these fossil secrets, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of Earth's past, and perhaps a clearer vision for its future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of fossils. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and share for more educational content. Your support allows us to continue exploring the mysteries of our universe. Until next time, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and always remember there's more to the universe than meets the eye.